Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Jalapeños continue to inspire countless recipes with their fresh flavor and balanced heat. In this part, we'll discover even more delicious meals, sides, and cooking ideas that make this popular pepper a favorite around the world. Pizza is another meal that welcomes jalapeños. Thin slices of fresh peppers can be scattered over cheese pizzas, pepperoni pizzas, barbecue chicken pizzas, or vegetable pizzas before baking. As the pizza cooks, the peppers soften slightly while keeping their signature flavor. Many restaurants offer jalapeños as a topping because they pair well with smoky meats, melted cheese, onions, and tomatoes. Some adventurous cooks even drizzle hot honey over jalapeño pizza, creating an exciting combination of sweet, spicy, salty, and savory flavors. Jalapeños are also perfect for making creamy dips. Blended with cream cheese, sour cream, shredded cheese, garlic, and herbs, they create a rich appetizer that can be served warm or cold. These dips are popular during parties because they pair well with crackers, tortilla chips, pretzels, or fresh vegetables. Some recipes include roasted jalapeños for a deeper flavor, while others use pickled peppers for extra tanginess. Soup recipes become much more interesting with jalapeños. A simple potato soup gains extra flavor from diced peppers, while chicken tortilla soup becomes even more authentic with fresh jalapeños simmered alongside tomatoes, onions, garlic, and spices. Corn chowder also benefits from the mild heat, balancing the natural sweetness of corn with a gentle peppery bite. Even creamy broccoli soup can be transformed with just a small amount of finely chopped jalapeño. One of the most useful recipes every home cook should know is pickled jalapeños. Fresh peppers are sliced into rings and preserved in a mixture of vinegar, water, sugar, garlic, and salt. After sitting for a day or two, they develop a tangy flavor while remaining crisp. Pickled jalapeños can be added to tacos, burgers, sandwiches, nachos, pizzas, salads, hot dogs, and rice bowls. Having a jar in the refrigerator makes it easy to add flavor to countless meals. Jalapeño pasta is another creative dish that combines creamy sauces with fresh spice. Jalapeños can be sautéed with garlic and onions before cream, butter, and Parmesan cheese are added to create a rich pasta sauce. Grilled chicken or shrimp complements the pepper beautifully, while fresh herbs brighten the finished dish. The result is comforting yet exciting, making it perfect for weeknight dinners or special occasions. Grilled jalapeños are incredibly simple but surprisingly delicious. Whole peppers are lightly brushed with oil and grilled until their skins blister and soften. The grilling process reduces some of the sharp heat while creating a smoky flavor. They can be served alongside steaks, grilled chicken, burgers, or sausages. Some people stuff the peppers with cheese before grilling, creating a smoky variation of classic jalapeño poppers. Fresh jalapeños can also be chopped into salads. They pair well with cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, corn, black beans, avocado, and citrus dressings. A small amount adds brightness and crunch without overwhelming the other vegetables. Grain salads made with quinoa or rice also benefit from the pepper's fresh flavor, especially when combined with lime juice and herbs. Homemade jalapeño hot sauce is another rewarding recipe. Fresh peppers are blended with vinegar, garlic, onions, salt, and a touch of sugar before being cooked until smooth. The finished sauce can be drizzled over eggs, tacos, grilled meats, sandwiches, pizza, or roasted vegetables. Every batch can be customized by adding fruits like mango or pineapple for sweetness, roasted garlic for richness, or herbs for extra freshness. Even sandwiches become more flavorful with jalapeños. Turkey sandwiches, roast beef, grilled cheese, and pulled pork all benefit from thin slices of fresh or pickled peppers. Combined with melted cheese and toasted bread, jalapeños create a satisfying contrast between creamy, crunchy, and spicy textures that makes an ordinary lunch much more memorable. For outdoor gatherings, jalapeños are perfect for barbecue recipes. They can be chopped into marinades, blended into barbecue sauces, mixed into burger patties, or added to grilled vegetable skewers. Their smoky flavor develops beautifully over an open flame, making them a natural companion for summer cookouts and family picnics. One of the reasons jalapeños remain so popular is their flexibility. People who enjoy mild spice can remove the seeds and inner membranes before cooking, while those who love heat can leave everything intact. The peppers can be enjoyed raw for maximum freshness, roasted for sweetness, grilled for smokiness, or pickled for tanginess. Each preparation creates a completely different flavor experience while still showcasing the unique personality of the jalapeño. From breakfast to dinner and from appetizers to snacks, jalapeños prove that one simple pepper can be used in countless creative ways. They bring color, flavor, freshness, and just enough heat to make meals more exciting without overpowering the other ingredients. Whether you're preparing food for a family dinner, a holiday celebration, a weekend barbecue, or a casual snack, jalapeños offer endless possibilities. Their balance of spice and versatility has earned them a place in kitchens around the world, making them one of the most beloved chili peppers for every occasion. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.